Hi guys, welcome again to Wendy Styles. I want you guys to see this natural haircut. One thing with this style today, make sure to make the side shorter and to make the top longer, because this kind of hairstyle will always flatter those skincare coiled hair, and it will always keep the heat off your neck with this beautiful tapered and Twinnie Winnie designs we have, because these are one of the best black short hairstyles right now. One thing I want you guys to know about the style is that this hairstyle is what you really need to consider, for you to start your hair care journey from the beginning, because by chopping short black haircuts in the midstreams and ends, you can focus on the new growth of your root for healthy hair. One thing with this style is that it's a low maintenance haircut that is versatile, and you can see that the key to wearing this hair is always keeping them moisturized, because sometimes when coils dry, they tend to tighten up more and cause breakage. So just always ask your stylist, or you can check out of my videos or ask me some questions for the best take-home moisturizer that is based on your hair porosity. And I want you to know that the daily combat with moisturizer will easily have you turning heads in admiration. Isn't this hair looking so beautiful? This is so lovely, this is so gorgeous, and is that perfect haircut for natural curls. So one thing with the style also is that is the perfect cut to maintain the edges of your natural hair, because while giving that longer top hair a place to shine, your hair appointments we kind of help you like to make the hair to be hydrated, because hydration is always vital for you to always maintain the intricacy of your coils. And don't forget to always use oils to always keep coils from drying out, like when rocking this beautiful short haircut for black women. If it's your first time here, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Let us know your mind in the comment section below. I want to appreciate everyone, my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. God bless you guys, and see you in my next video.